up, world? Thank you guys for wishing me all the best things. I'm really grateful. It's my birthday. It's Ghana Independence. See it there? And I just want to come on live to say thank you to all of you because, hold on, let me pin this. Because I can't reply everybody right now. Yeah. Yeah, man. 1 hour this for. Yeah, you know. Well, it's a little freestyler. Where they are in a New York again, yeah. Listen to this. I'm freezing you now. But I still got to keep it burning, burning. Na. The feel. The whole of Beam Nation, yo, put a blank in the thing. What we say? Boom! One heap of artillery, we are crank up joker boy. Then finally, them time up. We never run out of fire killer. Boy, we desire just. We big up all of the stuff, them will defend the church and thing. If you bad killing them, I feel rate and sing. Can over them, a bad them, a bad man, them no. What's that? Well, I'm a bless them, Beam Nation. You out there, this is for you, bro. If you know, sing it with me. You know what the thing said now, man? Once more time, we must bless them, Beam Nation. New York, loud it can't cool. Look at who them say them a gangster. Watch ya. Talk about them a gangster, could not even angle that man. Tell me that's where the bullies like Santa. Man, no, because easy like wow. Kill them and them new friend we sell up like what? Them and them family and them code them no rich. We never the one bomber and the cost of stampede. Me are the one got that one get a complete. Solid like I concrete. Bless them, Beam Nation. Loud it, and who we are for that? Independence, you see me I say? So me say God, bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever the cause of freedom and our right. Listening, feel our heart with true humility, make us cherish fearless honesty, and help us to resist oppressors' rule with all our will and might. Look up every black star. You see I'm a black star, you know? So me I say all the black stars, them, it's you on the top skanker. So from me know say you're top skanker, turn it up on the live. Yo, Ghana! What we say again, and right now, top skanker. Yo, wheel up that rhythm there again. Wheel it from top. What am I dealing with? Yo, thank you guys. I'm having a good time out here. It's freezing. Yeah, man, easy top. But, see there? How you go? The comments and things. I want to thank you guys.
Crazy. Give them, God. Give them.
Big up myself, feel this is a freestyle thing. When I hear this, like I said before the beat went off, big up to every top skanker. Is you are my top skanker. I love you so much, man. So listen to this. Yeah. Skippy little bang. That one, yeah. This is, if you check me out on the gram, on the YouTube, you see, this is what I love to do, freestyle music. Ever since I was 15, I went professional with it. And I can't say thank you enough, bro. My sis, all of my loved ones, my wife, everybody, family, Beam Nation, Ghana. You see it? Now, I got the things they never think, say. Hey, I got the life but them never think, say me would have leaving now. Yeah, them things say me would have shot dead, pop down, drop down. But I mean this, breathe this, worldwide world, them a call me, them and I say, one God. See them a say one God. Sing with me, them a say one God. Them a say one God. Hey! Them a say one God. Them a say. It's love, man. Fun right now. We refuse to get, you know?
Who?
It's our birthday. Hey.
Hey. You just come, eh? Ah, come inside. Sorry, come inside, bro. Come inside. Yo, wheel up that rhythm.
What do you want? What do? American one. I will do. You have to do.
Anyway.
You.
Thank you guys, man. The love is real. And tonight is my birthday somewhere for New York. We go do something. So if you're there in New York, make sure say you pull up. Tomorrow we got Independence Day. We go do something.
We'll do something again.
Aye. Life must go on. So life is going on. Don't watch my gangster, you know? Got me up, yo, I have to wrap up. I don't want to get sick and thing, you know? Don't watch my microphone, you know? Watch that. I say one guy has a freezing. Them I say one guy. I'm freezing. Freestyle I'm releasing. The fans I'm pleasing. I'm freezing. Outside but we killing it. Vibes I'm billing it. Everybody knows that them feeling it. This I wanna sealing it. Up from now we've gone past a lot the ceiling. Stonebwoy me bring the musical healing. Whatever I do, with them a dealing. Me no in a no boy killing, no physical killing, a lyrical killing.
The hero is freezing.
The hero is freezing. Never know say we no sizzling. We was the freestyle in the morning, in a every season. Hey freestyle with sizzling. Hey laugh you all laugh boy, you are killing. Singing some jiggling. Blood clip. Yeah. Man a real da. Stepping at the place, bombshell them scatter. Me make the pretty lady them go gaga. Them know da say my profile is taller than ladder. From Paga, Zabeluguna, from Goyina Gambaga. Every song what they give them gaba, I know they leave them gaba. Yeah. One God. So them a say one God. Them a say one God. Them a say. Big up on the stairs, you know. I want to know. Enough respect, enough love. See it? I want to go because it's cold. Like I said, we're out here in New York, giving thanks to life. So if you're there in New York, all of my ladies, all of my man, them, all of my top shot of them, all of my link up. Go check out Q Films on IG, right?